I have a confession to make. Like some of you guys may know me as King James. Some of y'all may know me as Just James. Um, Join me.
Hold up, nigga. Hey, where we going, bro?
I'll show you what my confession is. I'm in love with my Lord.
Nigga, what?
We've been with each other for years, but like
This dude, he needs some
really
milk, man. I mean, like, he just need a whole cow just dumped on his head, man. This dude crazy.
When the sparks finally came, we just clicked together.
Nigga, what sparks, man? I remember once they tried to down me, but I had them batteries on deck. That's why I said bump school. This nigga need help, man.